Hey, Dave Knight here at DaveKnightTrading.com, soon to be DaveKnightTrading.com. Ah, we're back to it again. Let's try to put it in 10 minutes, Kip. And those that are watching me, try to stay less than 10 minutes. I always, obviously, never promise that I'm going to be keeping within a certain time range. But so a weekly video. Guess what? I'm going back to
Potential
the
defects
PA.
on ES.
Surprise, surprise, surprise. Well, I've been playing around. I reset my sim to try to um, follow my trading rules that I'm putting across. And once again, my trading rules, I got 3 right now. Obviously, they can change, but don't blow account. Number 1, don't blow account. 2 losses, 10-minute stop. Three losses in a row, done for day. So, for instance, lose, grab my 10-minute timer, flip it over, walk away, 10 minutes. I lose again, then I am done for the day. 3 losses. So if you're following Apex Investing, Daryl talks about net 6. I'm running with net 3. And I like to have net 6 on the
Potential
other side, on the
defects
win
on
side.
MQ.
So I'm reversing that around because I like, instead of going 3 to 6, I like going 6 to 3 minimum. So so it puts me in like a
Potential
$500
TDS
to
on
a
ES.
$1,000 gain trading 2, and hopefully staying within 600 on
Trapped
3
orders with
losses in a
exhaustion
row.
box on
Now,
MQ.
if it would go from loss, 10-minute break, win the next one, that'll bring it to net 1, right? And then net 2, if I go back to net 2, another 10-minute break. So if I have
Potential
2
defects on
losses, I need to
MQ.
take another break. So basically trying to stop myself from 3 losses. Anyway, so long story short, trying to stay um, 3 losses in a row, or a net 3 situation where I'll have 3 losses against the win. So, or that would be 4 to
Trapped
1 in that
orders with
case, right? So
exhaustion
if
box
I
on
would
MQ.
accumulate 3 losses and so I had 4 trades, 1 win, 3 losses, I should be done on the day, basically, right? Break even trade kind of stays at the even mark. So if I move to break even, that can be considered, I can take another trade on. So hopefully we'll revamp as time moves on, but that's what I'm basically, the bottom line.
Potential SLZ on MQ.
I've run with basically no trading rules at Apex since I started here, and that's been a
Potential
majority of my
defects on
problem.
MQ.
So you can see that I'm above the 53,000 mark. Today was day 5 for me, so I need 2 more trading days. So Wednesday
Trapped
and
orders with
Thursday,
exhaustion box on ES.
set up the Apex PA on Friday or Saturday, depending upon how I feel. And I might trade Friday, or I might just wait for next week on Monday. So I'll qualify Thursday. I can actually pay for my PA on Friday and actually trade it on Friday if I feel like it. We'll see how I feel come Friday. So you can see the auto liquidate threshold value, auto liquidate peak
Potential
balance.
defects on MQ.
I'm a little bit more comfortable trading the way I'm going at it now to get to, I believe that
Trapped
if I
orders with exhaustion box on MQ.
have a good day, I should be able to get a 1,000 minimum on a good trading day that's going for me. So, or more. And then trying to take on decent trade setups. Considering a morning session, 1 hour after the 9:30 open, since I'm trading the NASDAQ, so that brings it to, let me get this off the screen here. That brings it to starting trading about 10:30 to about 12 if I want to trade a morning, and basically anywhere from 1 to 3:30 for the afternoon. trying to be up and done. I'd like to be done by 3 hopefully, but if I'm in a winning position from between 3 and 3:30, being done with trading by 3:30. All this is Eastern time, New York time, however you want to call it. So one of the
Potential
key
effects on ES.
what are
Potential
the key
double effects on ES.
No, as long as she's talking, I'm going to try to stop talking. One of the key concepts that I want to show one thing that kicks my ass still, that I have to be very careful on. We had the down
Potential
move right
effects
here,
on
right?
MQ.
So here's the down move. If I take on at
Trapped
9:30,
orders with exhaustion box on
you can see there's
MQ.
plenty of opportunity to take a nice short position on today. Then you can see it bottoming out and then going up. So here is where historically, big H, historically, when it turns over, you can see it turned over right here. When the market turns over and I'm trading a short, I have a habit, a bad habit, B, big B, bad, B-A-D, bad David. I have a bad habit of, let me get rid of some of that screen. All right. So I have a bad habit of taking on shorts going into a long. And what I need to do once the market turns over like this is I need to wait for a 5-minute red bar to even consider trying to come into a short. Look, if you wait right here, would it have worked out a little bit or not? Now, taking a loss after a red's a little bit better. But you can see it works out a little bit and then it goes back up again, right? And then you see the red bar, but look where it closes. See, I want you to pay attention to these candlesticks, right? Where does this candlestick close? Down here. Where does this candlestick close? Up here, up here. Then you got one down here. This one would be a tradable event here, maybe closing below this area. Let's take a look at and see what happens. I really haven't paid much attention to what's going on in the market today after I got done trading. This is like I said, this right here, in a nutshell, once you see something like that, this is where I get most of my trading losses and I blow the EAs and the PAs. So recognize, I guess what I'm getting at is recognize where your weaknesses are and try to develop a plan either to stay out of it or to find a way to trade in it. So look where the closes are. This one looked good. There's a little bit of opportunity there. No, yes here. Look at the close on this one. The close is down here, right? So this one's a little bit better. Let's see what happens after this. I haven't looked, so this is going to be curious for both of us. Aha! And you can see what we're trading at, and it comes back up. So there is a possibility that you could have pulled out somewhat of a win right here, and then you see it trying to eliminate. Comes back up, get out. Maybe if you're taking a long at this point, considering what's going on in the markets here. Let's see what the market decides to do. Comes back down, another opportunity for a short. Nice little opportunity. And you can see where this is where we're trading right now at 310. So here's another opportunity maybe for a short opportunity into here, coming down right in that area. Here's an opportunity right there. Here's an opportunity right here. No, yes, yes, yes. I think that's all I really want to cover today. Wow. I'm going to be done less than the 10-minute mark. 9 minutes and 33 seconds. Let's wrap this video up. All right, so I'm moving up on to the PA. It'll be PA number 8, I believe, or 9. I believe it's 8. I had 3 last year, all year. This will be my 5th PA. Let's stay in this one. Believe that you can have it. I talked about my rules early in the video. God bless, take care. I'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now. I beat the 10-minute mark. Woo!